So here is the exercise 2 of Python dictionary. Okay, the first question, you have to merge the following two Python dictionaries into one. So two dictionaries are given to you, you have to merge it. Second is create a dictionary to assess the value of key. So you have to create a dictionary by yourself and you have to assess the value of key. Okay, next is delete set of keys from Python dictionary. Okay, so you have to delete the keys from dictionary. Next is you have to write down the program to get the keys corresponding to the minimum value from from the following dictionary. So here is the dictionary that I am going to write down now. That is dict is equal to curly braces, then I'll write down the subject and their marks. Okay, physics, chemistry, maths, bio. Okay, so you have to get the keys who has the minimum value. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Do more practice, try to solve these questions, and as you all know that practice makes a man perfect. So that is important also. So maths is equal to, I am writing over here 100. Then after that, bio, I am giving the marks. That is 80. So you have to find out the minimum value, okay, fine, of the keys. Okay. You have to get the keys corresponding to the minimum value. I hope it is clear to you. Try to solve it. Thank you.